Oga Wike wey be the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, he don last admit am say im get familiar relationships with Dr. Anugbom Onoha wey be the Independent National Electoral Commission, their resident electoral commissioner for inside Edo State, and this dey come in response to the allegations say Dr. Onoha and Oga Wike dey put heads together to find how they go take compromise the upcoming September 1st 2024 governorship election wey go happen for inside the South State. And on Thursday, wey be the 12th day of September for inside this year 2024, the chairman of the Edo State chapter of the People's Democratic Party, his name na Anthony Azegbemi, na him first raise alarm sake of the familiarity between the minister wey be Wike and Dr. Onoha wey be the Independent National Electoral Commission, their resident electoral commissioner. Oga Anthony say this their ties is too close for comfort. He say Dr. Onoha na cousin to Oga Wike, and him be don serve under Wike too as commissioner and special adviser for lands, survey and housing when Oga Wike be the Rivers State governor. The PDP chairman wey be Oga Anthony Azegbemi, he write all this one so for inside one protest letter, and he come submit am to the Independent National Electoral Commission, their national chairman wey dey go by the name Mahmood Yakubu. And still for inside the letter, Oga Anthony still dey yarn dey give the INEC chairman say make dem redeploy, make dem comot the cousin of Oga Wike from the state based on the upcoming election. This man now dey reason one or two things. If it be say Oga Wike wan use im cousin take destabilize, take compromise the election. Now based on this new development, so this letter wey come board, tori people no know whether Wike cousin Dr. Onoha wey be INEC their resident electoral commissioner, whether he know about this matter so. But we know very well say Wike dey aware of the matter, and he now don respond to Oga Anthony Azegbemi allegations. And first of all, he can admit the family ties between him and INEC, their resident electoral commissioner, before he can call out the Edo State PDP chairman. For inside one interview wey Oga Wike get with tori people on Friday, wey be the 13th day of September for inside this year 2024, Oga Wike come dey ask tori people whether they know who Anthony Azegbemi be. Say this na person wey be say he no get character, and Oga Azegbemi himself know very well say he no get character. Wike come still proceed further dey yarn say money, ego na terrible thing. He say make Oga Anthony come challenge am on how he take become chairman of the People's Democratic Party. Wike say him himself, he play role, he follow for the emergency of the PDP chairman wey be Oga Anthony Azegbemi. Oga Wike come fire another hot question. He say when the Edo State PDP chairman wey be Oga Anthony Azegbemi, when in governor wey be Godwin Obaseki waka from him house come meet him wey be Wike, say they dey scout to support the governorship candidate of PDP. He say where the chairman been dey. That time they no know say Edo State INEC, their resident electoral commissioner, na in cousin ba. Now Obaseki carry Oga Ighodalo wey be the governorship candidate of PDP come in own house 2 times, say make him wey be Wike support the governorship candidate. They no know that one o. They no talk and say in cousin na Edo State residential electoral commissioner for INEC. They no yarn that one. Now make you know by as if na strategy based on say election come now they come put Wike cousin for there. No, Wike let tori people know. In short, Wike let the general public know say that in cousin be don dey there for more than 1 year. Yes, so e no get anyhow way e want to be set up, because the Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC, they don already make Dr. Onoha their resident electoral commissioner more than 1 year ago. So no be lie my good people, anyhow wey this matter be, the fact is clear. If you still say na strategy, you go bring facts to back the claim up. You go bring your evidence to back this accuse up, say na plan work, then plaster Wike cousin for there based on this upcoming election. But another information I go like yarn you na still about Wike. Now instead yarn say when Godwin Obaseki bring the PDP candidates come in own house, he tell them say he no go support the governor and he no go support the PDP candidate, because the last time wey he support dem, no better thing wey come outside from the matter. Instead na negativity, na bad things na come out. Then insult am up and down, and he no like those kind levels, and he no want make the thing happen again. Then na from here now the matter e come dey more interesting. Wike now come make one interesting statement. He say the PDP don make one big mistake, and that mistake wey dem make na by accusing im first cousin. You know why? Him wey be Wike, him be dey think say him strong until him come meet him cousin, say that man na rock. Even the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission himself no go fit tell am what to do. Instead, him go tell am to hell with your job. Now back to the allegations. Say Oga Nyesom Wike wey be the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, if he don influence, if he don organize, or if he don arrange the appointment and deployment of im cousin wey be Dr. Onowa to come Edo State. Because if we say make we touchlight the matter properly, e fit still be true say this matter fit be arranged, and now Wike is not working in the favor of the PDP. There is possibility say if he work in the favor of the All Progressive Congress, will be APC, and to whom he receive appointments from. And by that I mean the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, will be President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, will still be the member of the All Progressive Congress. So I get the fears of the PDP, but on these allegations, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory and former Governor of Rivers State, will be Oga Nyesom Wike, he come dey yarn say whether the thing say he go fit influence in enemy appointment. That is, as they don finally give im cousin appointment to go be the resident electoral commissioner of Edo State, make him come go church, or make him come go dey pray the kabash. Say no, they no supposed to give am the position, they no supposed to give am the appointment, because say the thing now e no go please the People's Democratic Party. So e no supposed to even dey beg sef say make dem appoint im cousin. Which kind nonsense be that one? Say even if dem remove im cousin from Edo State, whether e no go fit still move go another state go work, whether they need do election for another state, all these questions dey come from Oga Nyesom Wike. Now if you ask me, my good people, I go tell you say this question na simple yes or no. You influence the appointment, abi you no influence the appointment? Oga come dey speak English. This, my good people, na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside the nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news they come, then you first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And I beg, try make you share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go know wetin dey sup for inside the country Nigeria. I dey come your side again with another interesting information for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.